1990, Demi Moore became an A-list actress thanks to the success of the romantic thriller Ghost. She also achieved the same as her famous husband, Bruce Willis. In 1991, 8-year-old Demi Moore was determined to take control of her career. She started her own production, Rough Glen Film.
I really like being involved in the whole material, and I kind of get to play out, another part of my interest, which is a more business side, as well as something.
In the early 1990s, it was still rare in Hollywood for an actress to have her own production company.